Hi, everyone. I'm Denise Dunleavy. I'm an animal communicator and intuitive, and I'm going to talk today about manifesting. It's a popular topic and something that I have been working on for years. And I have read entire books about manifesting and taken multiple courses. There is so much information out there. I want to give you my top 3 simple methods for manifesting. One, to write down a list of 10 things you want to manifest. At least some of them should be easy, simple things like, I want to see a butterfly today. Something that can be easily measured and you will know right away when you receive it. Write this list every day. It can be the same things every time, or it can be different. But be as specific as possible so the universe knows what to give you. If you want a new job, identify what you want in that job. I want a job with a flexible schedule where I make 10% more than my current job and my commute is under 10 minutes. That's a long-term goal. But another example might be, I want a free lunch. It doesn't mean it will happen immediately, but you will get a free lunch. It can be very hard not to think about how this will happen. You might start thinking, who's going to buy me this lunch? Where is it going to come from? That can actually limit yourself. So it's important to not think about the how. The universe works in mysterious ways, so trust that the universe knows how, and you don't have to worry about that part. The second thing you can do to manifest is to imagine what it will feel like when you have the thing that you want. Going with the idea of a new job, imagine what your day will be like or feel like when you have that new job. It'll be easier to wake up. You'll be in a good mood when you leave the house. You'll feel motivated or have more energy. Think about buying something and what it feels like to not worry about how much it costs. Go through an entire day of what everything would feel like if you had this thing that you want. Something I say a lot is, where your thoughts go, your energy flows. By imagining positive feelings, you are attracting them. If something bad happens and you think, what else is going to go wrong? Or why does this always happen to me? You end up dwelling on the bad thing, then you continue to attract more of that. And imagination is very helpful. If you can imagine it, then you can manifest it. The last tip I want to mention is to identify a block that is preventing you from having what you want and take away its power. When I wanted to quit my job to have my own business full-time, I was stressed about finances. I didn't know how I was going to let go of having a regular paycheck. So give this block, which in my case is my finances, give it a color and a shape and picture it out in front of you. By doing this, it is outside of you and you're not owning it. It doesn't have to be a part of you. It's just a shape and a color, and it can't hurt you. And you can actually tell it that it has no power over you. And then replace it with a mantra or a statement that reinforces the idea of not having this thing block you. For me, it was, I can always make more money. It could also be something like, I'm not alone, I will always have support. Or if I fail, I will keep trying. And if you can't think of one that's specific, you can always say anything is possible. I hope that you try these easy tips that really don't take very much time. Please let me know if it works. And I'm wishing you so much success in your manifesting.